Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire by Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, today I'm in front of you all with a new topic, that is the biochemical cycle or biochemical reactions which occurs inside the body of a living organism just to maintain the life process. So we are discussing the topic life process. In the previous video also I have discussed about the various type of activities which the living things or the living organism perform, that is the process of nutrition, respiration, excretion, maintenance, it means regulation, that means the circulation, control and coordination methods, the circulatory system of the heart by which the oxygen is carried towards the different type of the body organs, and also about the excretion and reproduction. So all these things occurs or fulfill or completes with some of the chemical reactions, and that chemical reaction today we are going to discuss. All this type of different chemical reactions comes under the biochemical pathway or biochemical reaction. So here I am going to discuss in brief in the last point that biochemical reactions are undescribed or differentiated or distinguished in between the two words, that are the anabolic and the catabolic processes. So anabolic and catabolic processes, how this reaction, why this reaction are endothermic or exothermic, we are going to discuss about all these things in today's video. So what are the chemical reactions? What are the biochemical reactions which occurs inside our body? We have seen that we have the different types of chemical reactions by which the breakdown of some things occurs inside our body just to create something new, or sometimes the joining of the two chemicals occurs which for providing us something essential for the life process, in which of sunlight the plants prepare their food. So this is also a basic chemical reaction in which the environmental CO2 and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll can be make a unique thing that is called the sugar, and with that sugar is most important part for the foods of the plants and for the foods of ourselves also. And these things, if we take CO2 inside our body, oxygen, which is liberated during the process of photosynthesis by the plants, is taken by ourselves and also can be helpful in breakdown of the sugar just to create the CO2 and water which is necessary for our body. And the CO2 is excreted out and the water which is released by this process, and the some form of energy which is energy in the form of energy currency, that is called the ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is formed in the mitochondria, because mitochondria are the sites of respiration, and there the energy is stored. This energy is used for the different types of activities of the cell, different type of activities of the body, whole body. So these chemical reactions are always managed or always be organized or maintained. Just to maintaining all these life cycles, we have the biochemical reactions, and these biochemical reactions are organized or maintained by the enzymes. So guys, what are enzymes? Enzymes are the biological catalyst which always mix with the reactive substance but never take part in a reaction, because they are not going to participate in that reaction. They just do one thing, that is they can increase the rate of reaction. They can obviously increase the rate of reaction, that in how much quantity any chemical is wanted, that in how much quantity is the actually the reactant products, and the reactants and the products must be in the equal quality. So all these things are maintained and checked by the enzymes. So enzymes are the basic materials that are the catalyst for the biochemical reactions which occurs inside our body. You have heard about so many enzymes, that is the toluene, sucrose, all these things are maltose, all these things are different types of enzymes. Guys, we have discussed that what are the biochemical reactions and what is the enzymes. So enzymes are the basic substance that controls or the catalyze the biochemical reactions which occurs in the living organism. So now we are going to divide the biochemical reaction or the metabolic reactions in the two different types, that is the anabolic reaction and the catabolic reaction. So metabolic reactions जो होते हैं वो हमारे शरीर के different processes को maintain करने के लिए, different type of activities को maintain करने के लिए, जो भी biochemical reaction हमारे body में होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस बोलते हैं. अब हम मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस को भी दो डिफरेंट टाइप्स में बांटते हैं, जिसको कि हम बोल रहे हैं एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस और कैटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस. सो गाइस, एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस में वो प्रोसेसेस आते हैं जिसमें हम सिंपल सब्सटेंस से किसी कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस को बनाते हैं, यानी दो छोटे छोटे सिंपल सब्सटेंस को ज्वाइन करके रिएक्ट करवा के अगर हम किसी बड़े से लार्ज से ह्यूज से सब्सटेंस को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो वो आता है किसमें, एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस में। एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस का एग्जाम्पल अगर जब भी हम आपको बताएंगे, इफ़ आई विल शेयर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस, देन इट विल बिकम so much more easier for you all to understand about this process. So the example of the anabolic process is the photosynthesis. What occurs in the photosynthesis process? The CO2 from the environment and the water from the roots plants absorb all these things, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll they prepare food. So the two different simple things, the gases and the water, are just joined in the presence of sunlight just to do what? Just to provide us sugar. Sugar is the complex material which is formed with the carbon and oxygen. So guys, this is a anabolic process in which the simple substance combines or join or reacts just to provide us the complex one. So anabolic process is always a endothermic process in which the energy is absorbed. एनर्जी को क्या करते हैं, बचा के रखते हैं, गेन करते हैं, उसे रिलीज नहीं करते हैं, इसलिए एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस को क्या करते हैं, एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन बोलते हैं। एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन में क्या होता है, हीट रिएक्शन से के प्रोसेस के थ्रू बाहर नहीं जाता है, और हम लोग क्या करते हैं उसमें प्रोसेस में जो रिएक्शन से एनर्जी बची या फिर जो भी चीज़ बचा है एनर्जी के रूप में, उसे हम एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं। तो एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस क्या है, हमेशा एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन है। द सेकेंड वन इज द कैटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस. What is the catabolic process? The catabolic process is the process, example of the catabolic process is the respiration, which we just break down the sugar to form CO2 and water. So just जो फोटोसिंथेसिस में जो रिएक्शंस हुए थे उसका रिवर्स जो होता है वो हम रेस्पिरेशन के प्रोसेस में करते हैं, और ये क्या है, ये है कैटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस, जिसमें कि कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस टूटते हैं सिंपल सब्सटेंस में, और ऐसे रिएक्शंस में हमेशा एक्सोथर्मिक होता है, एनर्जी हमेशा रिलीज होती है बाहर की तरफ। तो हमारे प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, हम जो रेस्पिरेशन का प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं इसमें हीट एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, बिकॉज इफ़ यू विल कीप योर हैंड बिफोर योर नोज, जो जैसे ही हम लोग CO2 रिलीज करते हैं अपने नोज से, यू विल फील सम हीटिंग सेंसेशन ऑल्सो ऑन योर फिंगर्स. सो दिस शोज दैट this reaction of the respiration is a exothermic reaction. So guys, we discussed about what is the metabolic reaction, what is catabolic reaction, what is anabolic reaction. I hope you the concept of all these things must be cleared in your mind, and thank you so much for watching my video. This is all about the today's topic, and in the in the next session I'm going to start the chapter that is the nutrition. From the we will start from the nutrition. What is nutrition, we will define it first, and the different type of mode of nutrition, what is autotrophic, heterotropic, we are going to discuss about all these things. So keep watching my channel in the next video, and thank you so much for that.